coincidence, so did I. She's perfect.
Here's your goodness and here's your callings. Want to screw? Cheers.
Yeah, thanks. So this girl, is she a blonde?
Yeah, and she's got the most beautiful blue eyes.
That's weird, so does mine. I believe she works at John Lewis too.
No way, so does mine. Maybe they know each other.
Maybe they do.
I'm supposed to be meeting my girl here.
I set up a date with mine too. It's the first time we're meeting.
Good luck, man. My girl should be here, turning up any minute now. Oh, here she is.
Maybe I should call.
Hi, babe. Love you so much. I wrote you a song. If you say I don't love you, you couldn't be more wrong. There's something I need, like a breakfast bagel. Want to wrap my arms around you like a power cable. Comes to your face, all the men want to stare. Got the most amazing lips and beautiful blonde hair.
I get lost in your eyes, just like a maze. I'll forever love you, now and always. You're amazing and really perfect. I'll always treat you with loads of respect. I used to be lonely, I used to cry, but now it's you and me till the day I die.